Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily fix the autoplay settings to protect your computer on Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful, what you can do is just write down below in the comments that it helped you for other people to have it too. So, you want to go to the bottom. Next to the search is going to be a start button. Right-click on the start button, and under Task Manager is going to be Settings. Click on the Settings. And under System, you're going to see Bluetooth and Devices. And then you're going to have, scroll down below under Pen is going to be Autoplay. And then you're going to have like off here. So this is pretty straightforward video, how we can do it. What you can do is also removable drive, memory card. You can have like choose Autoplay defaults. And this is like how we can fix autoplay settings to protect your PC on Windows 11. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.